Welcome to the mesmerizing world of RenderForest Animations, a place where creativity comes to life. It all starts with an idea, a simple sketch, and a spark of creativity. Characters become 3D wonders with the help of modeling. With precision and dedication, 3D models emerge from flat screens, come to life, and take their place in their own virtual worlds, adding more colors and light to their surroundings. Our professional animation wizards breathe life into these characters, allowing them to bend, twist, and dance uncontrollably if necessary. And after all this magic, the animations come together in the last stage, ready to become characters in the virtual stories you create. So welcome to the Factory of 3D Animations, where you'll discover living and breathing 3D animations. Featuring over 1,000 animated scenes, this template provides you with all the necessary elements to create videos. Spread the word about your product or service. Introduce your business. Inform and educate your audience through charming characters and immersive dynamic scenes, including environments, corporate, and casual animated characters, backgrounds, icons, logo animations, typography, and so much more. No need for any technical skills. All you need is an internet connection and your browser or mobile device. Creating animated videos has never been so easy, fun, and accessible. Unlock the incredible possibilities of video creation now with our Factory of 3D Animations.